Searching for some information on roofing? We specialize in the installation of all commercial and residential roof systems. Established in 1975, Cornerstone Roofing Incorporated has been building a reputation of roofing excellence with building contractors and homeowners alike. We pride ourselves not only on our quality of work but also our customer satisfaction. Recent projects. Click to enlarge. Why choose Cornerstone Roofing Incorporated? Cornerstone Roofing has installed over 10 million square foot of roofing membranes in the last 20 years. A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. Experience. The owners of Cornerstone Roofing have over 60 years of roofing experience combined and a qualified crew that have been with the company for over 15 years. References. We are proud to say that over the years we have installed many roofs for quality, trusted contractors in towns and the surrounding areas. Locally owned and operated. Cornerstone Roofing is family owned and operated and serves towns and the surrounding areas. You can eliminate the headaches of working with a large out-of-town company and get quality results from a company that understands what it takes to install roof systems in these harsh climates. Call our company today for further details on roofing.